Hi everybody. Well, today I have a little teaspoon I carved earlier from wild cherry, and today I'm turning this teaspoon into this teaspoon. So, let's begin. The method of decorating I'll be using first is called kolrosing. Lines are cut in with the tip of a knife, and I'll be using Mora 106. It's a general wood carving knife. Pretty much everybody has one if you do green woodworking or so on. So, lines are cut in with the tip of a knife and then filled in with finely ground coffee and sealed with linseed oil. Later I will paint it with milk paint. So let's begin. First part of the process is to draw the design on the handle. I do this freehand, so every piece is unique and I follow the grain and the shape of the spoon and so on. Today I'm doing a little flower, so let's begin. And that's it. Flower is all down now. Now I'll start kolrosing. So let's begin with kolrosing. First I'll do this central part. Circles like these are always more challenging. So do this in a stabbing motion. Let's do the petals. Well, it's coming along nicely. Just a few petals left. So. Okay, that looks good. Let's do the lines here. And the flower is done. What do you think? Not bad. So now I'm going to draw a basket wave above and below the flower, just to frame it up a bit. And then I'll kolrose that too. So first a little frame. Let's do the frame now. Sometimes to make the lines deeper, I do 2 cuts. So what I want is really nice, deep lines that will hold the coffee. So it will be very dark and it will pop from the wood and be very nice. So now these straight lines, they can be a bit difficult because the grain is going this way and the line is going this way, so it can tend to go in the direction of the grain. So you need good control here over the knife, so there'll be no slipping like this. And then the second time, just to make it nice and deep. Okay, nice straight line, you see. Now let's do it here. Again, same. Double cut here also. Nice straight cut, straightforward thing. Just have to watch not to overcut, not to have a knife slip and so on. And here it is. Kolrosing is all done now. So now I'm going to apply some linseed oil. I'll do it with my hand. Just rub it in. This is food grade linseed oil, also called flaxseed oil. Not to be confused with boiled linseed oil, which is made for furniture. It contains toxic additives, so okay. See? Nice and shiny. Now I'll apply some coffee into the grooves here. So just rub it in and let's see the magic. Looking good. Now I'm just gonna clean it up. And do some painting. Now I'll just clean it a bit some more with linseed oil. Yeah, that's looking good. See? Nice teaspoon. Now let's do some painting. Now it's time to paint the spoon. I'll be using milk paint. It comes in a powder form. You just mix it with water and that's pretty much it. It's a natural paint, non-toxic, and works fine when you get the hang of mixing it. Let's start with white. Usually start with white. Center here, be white. Usually people ask me, how do you paint it? The answer will be carefully, you know. No other way. It can be a bit nerve-wracking. Really not a fan of painting, but I do enjoy kolrosing a lot. Painting is just... But some people like them painted, so I still do them. The painted version too. And even if the paint chips or anything, you're always left with kolrosing, because kolrosing is indestructible pretty much. It lasts as long as the spoon. Okay. These bits are going to be white and the rest will be yellow. And the basketway will be blue and yellow. So should be quite nice. I do 2 layers of paint. This is the first layer. Okay. And now I'm doing the second coat after the first one has dried. So it pops nicely in the color. To be very precise here. I'm doing the yellow next. Let's try with the basket bag. Just to see the consistency of the paint. So the basket bag will be yellow and blue. And now just to do the blue on the basket wave. And I'm doing the second coating of blue paint. Filling every little gap that's left. And here's the spoon all done. What do you think? Hope you like it. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.